Hello Xellux, how to filter data in Microsoft Excel. Download the practice file. If you're watching outside YouTube, let's dive in. So let's filter this data. Press Ctrl Shift L. So you can see that you already converted here. So go to here. Now let's select all deselected. So let's say you want to select South and click on OK. You can see that you automatically filter the data in the South. So let me go back there. So I can click on this, select all again, click it twice. Then let's pick East, and then I can click on OK. The same thing actually happened. So this is how you actually select data. Now let me press Ctrl Shift L to actually go back to the default stage. Now the fastest way to actually filter data in Microsoft Excel, you can actually do this. So what you need to do is, let's say you want to actually filter the data in the South. You understand? So just need to right click on the South, go to filter here, then you can see the filter by selected cells value. Click on it. You can see that you're actually selecting South and filter South. So Ctrl Z. Let's go to West. Let's say I'm in West here. I'll right click and I'll click on filter here. Then filter, and I'll click on it and you have it. So this is how you actually filter data in Microsoft Excel the fastest way. See you in next training. I will say light out.